Not bad. That is good. Wow, with one pass too. I promise there's a reason why my hair looks so crazy to begin with, but I braided my hair last night to give my natural, straight, fine hair some kind of wave or curl just for this video. We are testing a new hair product, a new hair tool for moi. Let's just begin. So this right here is the bad boy. This is the Revlon. Well, I guess it is new. It says new on the box, so. This is the Salon Straight Fast Glide Copper Smooth Flat Iron, 2 times more styling power. I believe it retailed for $44.99. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it was under $50. And the reason why it caught my eye was because of this attachment, this comb attachment onto the flat iron. So I'm not really having high hopes for the actual flat iron or the plates just because they are ceramic. It doesn't have any crazy technology that will help stabilize or keep the temperature nice and even throughout. I'm interested to see how this comb attachment will work with already wavy or curly, somewhat curly hair, because it's probably not going to be super curly. Let's just take the braid out. It's just a regular French braid. That really didn't do much. Just added a lot of frizz, but you know what? We're gonna go with it and we're gonna see if we can get it nice, sleek, smooth, straight hair. And my hair was not wet when I braided my hair. It was actually pretty straight and I blow dried it straight, so maybe that's why. And I'm going to compare the other side with the new Kristin S. Let's take this out, heat it up, and attach the attachment. So the reason why I said I don't have such high hopes for the flat iron is because usually Revlon hair products, they're gimmicky. And I'm not the biggest fan of them, except for the one styler and volumizing hairbrush, or I always keep forgetting the name. That one step styler, that's the name, I believe it is. The hair dryer for your hair. That styles your hair and dries it at the same time. So I tested so many of the Revlon products and that's why I'm kind of like, meh. But this looked interesting. And this is a bigger flat iron, as you can see. I think this is 1.5 inch plates, so it's a lot bigger. Oh, it's only on one side. What? This is such, okay. You know when you buy a bag of chips and you think it's gonna be filled, but it's like a fourth filled? This is what you get. You only get one side of the comb. Why wouldn't it be on 2 sides? No, just me? All right, so while I turn it on, it says it has 10-second heat up. So I'm gonna turn it up to, let's do 340, let's do 350. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so it's gonna stop blinking. Let's start. 10 seconds have passed. It's making noises. All right, 20 seconds. That was pretty good. I like it, I'm impressed. All right, so I'm not even gonna try the regular flat iron without the little clip. So let's see how they attached it. So they attached it to the front where the Revlon is, where the name is. So let's just attach it. Probably should have done this before I turned it on, but actually no, it's pretty easy. The highest temperature setting is 455 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a 24-hour frizz control, 63% more shine, advanced copper 3 times ceramic plates, 10-second heat up, and then bonus removable smoothing comb attachment for snag-free straightening. So that's why I picked it up, literally for that bonus. Just gonna section off some of this hair. I'm gonna keep the comb facing up or towards the bottom, and basically it's going to comb through my hair before it heats or straightens. All right, so let's get a couple of these shots. All right, so let's try this. Oh, it's snagging the hair. But not bad. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Nice. It did something. You guys see that? All right, so let's try to see what this looks like after. So same thing, keep the comb towards the top. And we're smoking everywhere. Not bad. That is good. Wow, with one pass too. I'm turning on my Kristin S, and the lowest it goes is 365, I think. Let me see, lowest. 280 and then 365. So I'm somewhat close to 350. And I'm just checking how fast it heats up. It's roughly 27 seconds. This is what I usually do when I do straighten my hair with the comb and a flat iron. I use something like this. I don't really use a hair comb just because I feel like it's way too separated. I want something that will keep my hair all nice and even, and this what works best for me. So I do pretty much like the same thing. I'll keep the hair. I'll take a section of the hair. Let me bring this mirror to the side. I'll brush it through once, and then I'll take it. I kind of place it, take the flat iron, and just place it right above and just kind of drag it down with the brush. Same thing. It's very similar results. I like that. But I feel like because these plates are bigger, it can grab a lot more hair, obviously. Honestly, this side looks better. It doesn't have as much frizz. It doesn't look as separated as this side. I think because of the comb, I feel like this side looks better. It looks very, very smooth. Let me just do this side without the brush. Looks good. All right, so obviously the differences are very, very slight. I don't think you'll even be able to pick it up on camera, but I think the biggest thing for me personally is when I touch my hair. So I run my hair through this left side with the Revlon, and it feels really good up until I reach the bottom. It feels a little bit fried, but not to a point where it looks fried, but it just some places you kind of run your finger and it kind of gets stuck. And then on this side, it feels very smooth and even throughout. I do need a trim on the bottom of my hair though. I feel like some of these places, they're a little bit frayed, where this, it looks even and smooth throughout. I really do like that the plates are a little bit bigger. I think this is really great for straightening. You know what? We're gonna take this off, so you just gotta be very careful. Just slide it off. And I'm gonna do it without a brush this time. I just wanna see how, oh, cool. I got a sticker in my hair. I just wanna see how this works with just a regular flat iron without any attachments. All right, so we're back up to 350. Let's do this again. Okay, I did a really good job, but again, the ends, they look a little bit frayed. I'm gonna put the attachment back on because I do like the attachment. So again, the comb is gonna be going towards the bottom, but facing up. Pretty good job. Some of the parts, like right here, I think taking that big of a section is not the best. I'm gonna take a little bit smaller sections. But the thing is, with such a big flat iron and the brush attachment, it's kind of hard to get really close to the roots. So let's try getting as close as possible to the roots. All right, so I took the attachment off. You know, let's take a smaller section because I had an issue with that, I already said. All right, so I'm gonna take the brush that I used with the other side. Took the brush attachment off with this, or the comb. Just do this. Yeah, you guys see that smoke? Why is this smoking so bad? But yeah, I already can see such a huge difference. It just looks so much better with the different brush attachment. I mean, obviously, I understand why it's doing a better job because there's a lot more bristles. The hair it's separated so much better than that comb attachment. I want you guys to hear something, especially when it comes towards down my hair. It sounds like it's razoring the hair. It sounds like it's cutting or snapping some of the hair off. I want you guys, I'm gonna get up as close as possible to the mic. I want you guys to hear this. Do you guys hear that? It's like, I personally don't know why it's making that sound, but the hair looks fine. It doesn't look like it's getting burned off, which is really good. I think maybe it's these plates. Maybe something in these plates is making that noise on top of my hair. I don't know, but I just wanted you guys to hear that because it does not sound good. Let's look at the finished results. Left Revlon, right Kristin S. I think both sides are beautiful, except for the bottoms. I like the bottom portion of my hair on the right side a little bit better, and it feels better. So overall, I think this did a good job. It definitely straightened my hair. It definitely got rid of most of the frizz, but the attachment, I like the idea of it, but it's an unfinished concept. The comb or the bristles should be a lot closer together. For example, like a hairbrush, maybe not as close as this, but at least something like a hairbrush with many different bristles. That way it will give a nice separation, a very smooth, fine separation instead of a comb separation. I feel like it just bunches a lot of hair together, and that way the results are not as I feel like they should be. That makes any sense. So overall, is it smooth? It's definitely not as smooth as the Kristin S, even with the hairbrush. I think this just went really smooth like butter through my hair. This one had a little bit of a hard time. It snagged some of my hair towards the bottom on one of the sides without the attachment with the hairbrush. So overall, am I gonna be reaching for it? No, I'm not. Just because I like the idea. I like the idea of the concept, but like I said, it's an unfinished concept. Thank you for watching this video, spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you all very much. Bye.